Hello everybody, you are welcome back to this space. I want to continue the solution to technical drawing 2025 NECO examination like I've been doing for some time now. We started with this first one, the link mechanism. I've done that. Then the cylinder that is cut by three planes here and this part. I've done this, so you can see that on the playlist surface development. Then this one you can see that on the special curves. Okay, then this one true shape surface development, you can see that on my playlist. I've done this as well. Then we are going to do this now. I did promise that I'm going to come back for the solution of this particular one. Now whenever we see a question like this, okay, the question says we should convert the orthographic views in figure 4.4 into isometric block using x as the lowest point. This is x, this is the lowest point. So whenever we see a drawing like this, okay, what they want us to do is to couple the drawing together, couple all the views together to form a whole drawing, one single drawing. And we are to do that in isometric. The block is now to be in isometric, and then when we talk about isometric, it has to recede in angle 30°. Now the first thing we are going to do, we're going to follow some procedures. So the first thing we are going to do is to draw the isometric axis. So I'm going to draw the isometric axis now. So to draw the isometric axis, okay, pick at any point, draw your okay. So this is my isometric axis. Both lines, both receding lines recede at angle 30° to the horizontal here, 30°. So we are told that we should use x as the lowest point from the question. X as the lowest point. So this is our position of x now. So I will put my x here. So this is x. This is the position for x. Now what it means now is that this line here, this line is going to represent the whole of this. So it's tilted at angle 30°. Now the next thing you are going to do to make it more easier for you when you are drawing this way, easier and faster, we need to draw the isometric we need to draw the isometric axis. To draw, we use this isometric axis. We are going to use this to draw the isometric boss, an isometric boss in 3D according to the dimension given to us, showing the front, top, and side. So this is what I mean now. Let me quickly draw the isometric boss. Now this length here is addition of this and this, so that is 110 millimeter, which is 11. Okay, so draw vertical that way. Okay, now the height here, I look for the height here. The height here is addition of this and this, okay, which is 60. So this is 60. So I can have 60 here as well, which I'm going to connect 60. Then connect both points. Okay, you have that. Alright, so we have this part now, okay, which is going to be representing this side, okay, which is also 60, this side. Okay, I'm drawing the isometric block, but in thin construction lines. Okay. All right, so this 60 here, just fix it this way too. Okay. So you have this. So I will just I will transfer this line here. I will transfer it here. So this way. Alright. Alright then. So next up I'm going to transfer this line. Transfer it here. This way. Just put it this way. Okay. So you have this. So this is the isometric block according to the dimension given to us in this orthographic views. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to cut the necessary parts of the orthographic view given from the isometric box. So the orthographic view given to us from this isometric box, we are going to be using this isometric part now to cut out the various parts. Now you need to have a rough sketch. I've done something off camera now, something this way. Okay, we need to have a rough sketch of what you just, the drawing doesn't have to be fine. Okay, just have a rough sketch because it's going to help us and it's going to make it more quicker in drawing. Now you can see according to the drawing, you need to identify the front view. Now if this is the sitting position, okay, it means that this is our front view. Now the arrangement of this orthographic view is in first angle orthographic projection. How do I know? This is where the angle is. Okay, so this is first angle orthographic projection, meaning now that this is my front view and this is my plan or top view and this is my side view. I hope you are getting that now. So for this front view now, we are having something from this place, so it means that we are views like this. Okay, so this is the front. Are you seeing it now? Then this will represent the side view, while this is the front view. Then this is the top. That's why I have labeled this side, so you can see this part now is this part is this. Okay, now for this part I will explain this later, and there's a reason why I'm not putting it there now. Okay, now if you look at it from the top, this, which is the front, you can see the whole of this area now, which is this. Okay, this one here, which is this, and this part here, which is this and this. Okay, if you are looking from the side, we are having something like this, like an inverted T, something like this. Okay, now don't forget I said we are coupling the views together to form a single O view, so we can't just draw it like this. It doesn't make sense. This is just to assist us to make it more quicker in drawing it. Okay, now if I'm to put this now, I'll put this now, put this now. You can see I put this arrow here, meaning now that you can see this for this side now and this side. If I'm to draw this top now, I'm going to bring it down, suppress it, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, if you are viewing from the top, you will not really appear like this to be. Yes, that's why I put this arrow, that we are going to suppress it, and you can see collapse this. Instead of drawing this, I don't need to draw this again, because if this is there, this will not be able to go down. Okay, this will not be able to go down, and it will not really show what we want here. So this one will fall on this part, so that when you are viewing from the top, you are seeing this side. Then this part also is going to come down with it. These two will come down. Okay, it will be brought down. Okay, now let's start drawing. We understand others as we go on. Okay, like this part also, it will come down. That's why I put top elevation here. Here we come down. this other side too will go down. Okay, why this will remain. Okay, now this is what we are going to be doing now. For this part now, this part, this is the dimension. We are told that it's 40. Don't forget I said this is the line. Okay, so I'm going to bring out 40. I'll bring out 40, so I'll be using this. So this is 40. Okay, so to have from that place, draw a vertical line up that way, and the side here is 20. Okay, I'm concentrating on the front now. This is 20. Okay, this is 20. Then I have 20 for this side as well, so I can just quickly join. Okay, then for this other side as well, 20. This is 40. This side. Okay, so I have 40 here too, so that you can just quickly join them. Okay, so we are having this and this part. So then if we look at it from this side as well, by principle of isometric, so a line should recede this way. Okay, so this side also, the whole of this area. Okay, I'm going to draw that now, the whole of this area now, which is this. So I'm have 20 here too as well. It's 20. So we have this. Okay, so then like I said, a line should recede to this side. Okay, so I'm going to put in that line now. At 30 degrees. I'm using this inner side of the set square. Okay. Alright. So which we go with that one. Alright, so then at this side as well. Okay, this way. Alright, so we have that part. Now I will take out this now. Let me take out the part I've drawn so far now out. So we have this as stick. You have this. Take out this part. Okay. This part. And this part. Okay, I hope you can see those two parts which represent this and this part. Okay, now for this top, I said we are going to collapse this place, so it's going to be on this part now. So which is this, which is going to give us this. Okay. Okay. this side now, which is this side, the side view, the whole of this side. So this will no longer be there because this has dropped for this top here. Okay, so all right, so we have this already. I hope you are grabbing it as we are going. Now I said also that this side, which we are going to drop it, which is going to be this at this point here, okay, which is for the top. Now if you are looking from the top, you can see this top, this side and this side. So this one, and let's drop this. So thereby principle of isometric, a line also should go that way. Okay, this way. Okay, so we need to put in the measurement. The measurement is 20. So I'll put in 20. Then another line should go this way and this way by the principle of isometry. This way and for this side as well. So just move it. So this way. All right, so take your 20 here as well. This 20. All right, then we connect this. This way. Okay, then take a look at this point now. So a vertical line should come down, but we'll come back to that. So let me take out this side now, which represents this top now. Okay, then this. All right, so you can see now this top now, which is this, represent this. That's why we bring this down now. Okay, then this part, this a line should go down like this. I will explain what that part means now. Okay, so you have to use your set square for that, so that it's going to be perpendicular to the lines. It's going to be parallel to the lines. Okay, so we have this. All right, so you can see where they both meet. So I will take out that part now. So this part that we are having now, this part here, now if you look at the orthographic views given to us, okay, you can see a broken line here. This broken line symbolizes hidden details. Okay, that is when we are looking at this from this side. Okay, this side will not be visible. That is why there is a broken line here. This side will not be visible. That's why there is a broken line. So if you are looking at this now from this side now, this hidden part, okay, is hidden to the eyes. So that's how we represent it with broken lines. Okay, that is one of the principle of drawing in isometric, and if you are converting orthographic drawing to isometric. Okay, so that is one of the principles. You have to take note of those hidden parts. We represent it with broken lines. Okay, why this other one, this other side, okay, shows for the other side as well. That's why I said that we will drop this. Okay, and this other side we drop it down as well. Okay, now so let's move on now from this part. Now there should be a straight line that we go up now. Produce this up that way. So you see this line is cutting this part now. Okay, the top of the rectangular box I drew, okay, which is 20. Okay, so you have this 20 now, this side has 20. Okay, now you can see this top now is what we press down. You know, if it's to come up now, is to this side, which is 20, and the whole of this length here is 60 from the top. You can see this 20, 20, 20. So for this middle one now, so I will take that now. So this whole length should be 40. So this should be 20, and this is 20. So sorry for the background noise. Okay, so that is 20. So the next thing that we have from here now is I'm going to draw parallel line to this point. Now the lines will come this way. So place my set square this way, place on this line. So I'm going to transfer this line now. I'm going to transfer it to this part. Just transfer it. Okay, so transfer it there, then transfer to the other side now to that 20 as well. Okay, all right. So which is this part? You can see the part I said we are pressing down. So which is this, which is now here. So I don't need to take out that again now. So okay, so for this side I will come there. Now let's draw for this center one, okay, which will be this. So I'll just continue this line to meet this. Okay, so this is this. So let me take out this. This, this, and this. Okay, so you see that now, which is for this top here. Okay, yeah, and do not forget that we suppress this. Okay, we bring this down. Okay, after collapsing this, like I said earlier, which is this. Okay, the whole of this also will come down. Okay, as we bring this down, it's coming down. So it's going to be at the middle here. Okay, at 20. So this is 20. Okay, this other line, I will just extend this line here to meet it, which will form 20. Okay, I hope you can see that. So this point now and this point now is going to be merging with this and this, and that is why we are having this. When we are viewing from the front, we're having something, an inclined line like this. Okay, so all I will just do now is that I will just take out this from here. I will take this out. We are almost done with the drawing, and it's taking shape as it should gradually. Then I will join this now with this. Okay, so I hope we can see that now. You can see that it's taking shape. So this is the front. When viewing from this front now, this part now is this part now is this, the whole of this area now, like this is this. So I have to take out this, so you can see which will represent this. So I have to take out this. So you can see this now. So now this other part now, there is this part which also will come down. It's going to come down. Okay, but it's not that visible to the eyes. You can see a line coming out now, so which is going to be forming for this other part. So all I just need to do is to take out this part. Okay, then take this out like this, then produce a vertical. I'm going to take out. Okay, which I will take out like this. Okay, which is forming the other part. Okay, and there's one more thing. You can see when we view this, we are seeing the whole of this line here. So I won't take out this, so which is going to be this, not this one, not this one. Okay, don't make mistake of thinking it's this one. No, it's going to be this, which is going to meet this. Okay, it's going to be this and not this one here. Okay, so I will take this out now. So I hope You can see this now. So this line now represent this, not this one. Don't make mistake of thinking is this. Okay, if it is this, that means the line is going to be this coming from here. No, but this place is open, so it's this part and not this one here. Okay, it's this part. Now I hope this is clear. So you can just put in your dimension, and if you like, and just stick it out properly. So this is the final outlook of the figure with the dimension rightfully placed. But before we um, go off, I want us to just take a look at the given orthographic view again and use this to analyze it to be sure we are not leaving out any salient part. Now if you look at this now, let's start with the front view. This area now, one, two, three areas. So when we view from this point now, this our S, I told us is in first angle orthographic projection. Now this side now, this side is this, the whole of this area now, the whole of this area, which is this. Okay, then this part here is this. So we have about three area we are seeing, one, two, three. So this one, two, three. I hope you can see that now. Now when we go to the top, this area now, which is the whole of this, then this part now, which is this. So when you view from the top, you are going to be seeing this. It's going to appear flat, okay, from the top. Then when you look at, then you see this, which is this center, then this part which I said we suppress, and the other part as well. Okay, I hope you can see that now. Then when we look at the side now, the whole of this side is this broken line shows, I said that earlier, shows this part, hidden part, and this other part, and this length here, which is also this. So this is appearing as it's going to be seen from the top, and it's also going to be seen from the side when you look at it. Okay, okay, and see the figure looking like a sport car used for car race. I hope you find this video interesting. Thank you very much for staying tuned. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I promise to bring you more solution to technical drawing problems. Thank you very much for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you. God bless you.